Hey yo, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, we have Sprt. Okay, today we're going to be having a quick update. This is not a quick update. This is kind of more in-depth update. I really want to share some informations out about how you need to chill. Okay, you need to chill, and just some perspectives for anyone that's still in SPRT. Okay, and BBG. In this video, I will be talking all like specifically for SPRT, but I will read it out for you because it can also help you out with BBG, also BBIG. Okay, I'm going to be talking about who is still with us. What the people are like, basically what are the most shortest stocks according to the S3 real time data. Of course, you know that there is Sprt in them. Okay, Sprt is ranked up there, and yeah. So first of all, the three most shortest stocks according to the S3 real time data, which runs $9,000 a year, and like what I believe to be the most accurate is that the Sprt, okay, the Sprt it is with a 60%, and we have ECVT with 53% and BGFFV, okay, with 48%. So yeah, this is again the shortest stocks, or like one of the most shortest stocks. As you see, this kind of triggered it run off to the upside. I think this is just the beginning of the squeeze. This is how it looks like with my eyes. And the more attention SPRT has, the better. Okay, I think that they have right around 9,000, 9 to 10,000 members into the community on Reddit. Also, like as I said on the beginning, I'm also going to be talking. I mean, I think that I did not say that. This is why I'm going to say that right now. I really am going to talk about the technical analysis and predictions too. So let me know what are your thoughts about it, and just some perspective for anyone still in the SPRT or BBIG trade. Both SPRT and BBIG are under SSR, or the short sale restricted per SEC Rule 2001, up the tick rule. Okay, due to the greater than 10% drop yesterday, meaning you cannot short again this bid. Okay, but both have zero shares to short, both have very high short interest with ongoing failure to deliver, and borrow rates of 164%, which is for SPRT, and 80% for BBG. Okay, I think we are getting closer to come prime brokers going to forced by buy-ins, and forced buy-ins in when the prime broker will go out on the market and buy to close a short position because they are too deep in the red. Okay, it is basically a margin call on their short position that isn't satisfied, so they open market, they open the market buy to close the position. Okay, these are high risk trades, are and too often the term short squeeze or gamma squeeze has been called out in the last 20 months, as more people are getting into trading. Okay, I can say that there are actual like the candidates that can keep squeezing. There is no guarantee, but they are like legitimate squeeze machine setups. Okay, and there are no like options expiring this Friday for either underlying, which means pinning it in a favor of market maker, and counter prices short on an option is not a factor this week. The low volume consolidation today, in my opinion, is a bullish indicator that buyers will get more confidence to step in, and the shorts will lose confidence and further fade, like coupled with their inability to short more right now, zero shares available. Okay, DLDR, I think we squeeze this quick. Let me know what are your thoughts about this prediction. I think that a lot of people can like agree with this that was said. And maybe this week, maybe next week, no date, just hold. That's it. And like the holding or hodling is not enough. It is not enough. We need to be adding to your position. If you don't have, like, understandable, but you need to be adding to your position. That's how some of the others still out. Okay, some of the other people. I mean, some paper hands can get out. And what is that? You cannot just hold. You need to add to kind of over leap the top. Okay, so people decide they won't pay over a certain amount, which is smart in a traditional play, then the stock loses momentum. Okay, per a paper hand sales share becomes the shares became more available to borrow for shorting over and over. If people would keep slapping and ask, will keep slapping the ask price instead of just sitting in their hands thinking it's going to squeeze without volume, this thing will absolutely like jitson into outer space. Okay, so a lot of people right now are kind of asking, so where should be the bottom? And like, what is that? Where is that? For me, I will personally be holding. I know I sell a lot of different numbers, but my number will be around 300, 500 or $600. I know it's kind of broad, but around them areas when the price reaches kind of the stops, I will kind of choose, okay, because it is not going to be play out for me right now if I buy, if I actually sell, because at the moment I'm up, I'm pretty up. My average, as I said, is below 260 around them levels, or I'll just say 270. For right now, I'm up 1000% on my investment with SPRT, which is a pretty good number. I'm not even gonna cap about it. This is the best number that I have seen into my portfolio for quite a while. Okay, basically the first thing that just kind of popped right now. Yesterday we were down 30%, but it is what it is. But again, let's just get straight into the topic. Nobody knows when the squeeze will happen, so stop asking the people like when is the best price to get in right now for a squeeze or something like that. You can even drop to the $20 areas, like everything will be the same. You can just buy more shares before it actually explodes. Okay, so let me know. Are you still with us? Raise your hand into the comment section below if you will fight till the end. No, I'm just kidding. It is always what you want to do. A lot of the people have like thousands of shares. A lot of the people, I mean, can move from the weight of these attendees of these shares that they have, and a lot of the people have been into this since the lows right here. Okay, seeing the lows right here. So the OGs still remember they're not cashing out. I mean, they could have taken some profits out, but they're not cashing out at the moment. So that's what sets them apart. And yeah, also, the other thing that I really want to say about, that I really want to talk about is for those who are losing hope. Okay, so a lot of people on here are very confident that this thing is gonna blow. Okay, myself included, but maybe you aren't. Even if this stock hypothetically never squeezed and that the shorts magically covered without the price going up, this is still a great stock to own. I mean, come on, an eco-friendly BTC miner that's like freaking crazy and amazing. Nobody is talking about how Elon could hope on this and his followers could drive the share price into this like stratosphere. Okay, health. A lot of people are health is 429. They're not selling is stupid. You're missing out on so much in the long run. Okay, kind of. I know that kind of like convince some people do not sell, but yeah, that's about it for today's video about the SPRT. Let me know what are your thoughts. Like also consider liking and subscribing because I do a lot of videos like this every single day. I think that this information is kind of great for those of you who like really want to be updated. Then I'll just hope again. And that's about it for today's video. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. This video is only for entertainment purposes. And guys, peace out. Have a great day, a great freaking day for the rest of your day. Do not stress out. Have a positive life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.